Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host, Alex Morin, and before we begin today, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to our channel. If you love these revolutionary ideas that I am constantly bringing to you, subscribe right now, and then forevermore, you will always be receiving these ideas. You won't even have to think about it. Now, you are so used to watching me do these videos with this collared shirt on, right? The uniform, the Promonoise uniform. But today I am wearing the coziest sweater I have ever felt. It's by a company called Attraction. Attraction is a North American company based in Canada in the province of Quebec. They have a unionized labor force who loves working at the company. And the line of product I'm wearing today, this particular sweater, SKU is the 100502U, is from the Ethica line. And the Ethica line is all about sustainability. They use sustainable materials, they use sustainable practices. Everything they do revolves around the betterment of our planet. I love that. It's near and dear to me. So let's talk about the materials. The reason it's so cozy is that this particular crew neck sweatshirt, which is a unisex style, actually is made of 50% organic cotton and 50% recycled polyester. I love that combination. Let's take it a step further. Do you know what this unbelievable company is doing? They are taking every single scrap. Their goal is to be a no waste manufacturer, and they are getting there. They're taking all of their scraps from the Ethica line, and they're actually turning those and reconstituting them into different products like cushions, and they're giving those away to people that are less fortunate. Is that not amazing? Is that not enough reason to actually want to buy this? Besides the fact that it is so unbelievably cozy. I love it. Now, I've got a special treat for you because today is a 2-in-1 presentation. I'm not only showing you this crew neck, but I am going to show you the t-shirt underneath it. Hang on a second. I'm going to turn into Magic Mike here. Fix hair. Ready to go? Yes. Okay, part 2. I am now in an Attraction t-shirt, crew neck t-shirt from the Ethica line. And this particular t-shirt style, 100386U, is a fabulous t-shirt that's made of 100% organic cotton. It's available in 13 different colors, and I'll have you know that every one of the base colors is made of 100% organic cotton, and the other ones, the heathered colors, are actually made of 50% cotton and 50% recycled polyester. They're gorgeous, they're form-fitting, they're unisex, they feel wonderful, and they are unbelievable decorators. In fact, this one here is decorated with a very subtle screen print that might be hard for you to see today because it's done elegantly with a tone on tone and it says respect. And you can also do embroidery on Attraction clothing. You can do appliques. You can do all kinds of things when it comes to decoration. I love this company. I love what they stand for. And let me tell you a couple of last things you need to know about. In fact, all of their production of the Ethica line, everything is sourced within an 800-kilometer radius, thereby eliminating a massive global footprint. How do you like that? And in fact, in one of their plants, the Lac Drolet Institute, what they're doing is they've actually got a garden planted there for all of their staff members. And many days they're eating together and teaching people how to eat healthily and how to tend to their own gardens at home. I love this company. I love their products. Their sweater was cozy. Their t-shirt is unbelievably comfortable. For all of those reasons, check them out. Attraction and the Ethica line. You will love it. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, check us out on www.promonoise.com, and tell every single one of your friends about how great these product review videos are. Hey, let's keep making beautiful noise together, and I will see you again soon. Take care.